Hello and welcome to another episode of How To with Paul Henderson. Today's video is going to be on my registration renewal process for my Reviver digital license plate. As you can see, my license plate expires in August 2024. About 2 weeks ago, I had got confirmation from the Reviver app that my registration is up for renewal. About 2 weeks prior to that, I received the paper version of that renewal from the DMV. So you can either renew it through the DMV if you want, and that's a different process to get that sent to the Reviver digital license plate. But if you have the Reviver digital license plate and the app, you can do it all through here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this right here. I have it set up to be as a timer, so from the time that I start this, I'll push that timer and show you the complete process of what it takes by popping up some screenshots on the video. Should be like right over here. So let me go ahead and get this ready real quick. I just got to find the app somewhere on here. All right, here we go. Okay, so let me go ahead and start this timer, and there we go. Okay, so the first one you have to do is click on the OK button when you open up the app. And then as you can see right here, it shows my license plate. Of course, I have the black background with the white letters, and that orange box shows that it's up for renewal. Now, you won't see that until you actually get the notice from Reviver that it's up for renewal. You can't do anything on the app until you get that. So then what you're going to do is you're going to tap on that orange box. And then here it says that my registration renewal is $467. And if you scroll up a little bit, then also has my mailing address. You can't scroll up, so let me go ahead and screenshot that one. Then you're going to tap on Go to Payment. And I already have everything in here, so as you can see, it has my, well, you can't see it because I'm going to block it out, but it has my credit card number, my phone number, and my billing and mailing address, so they all have to be the same. Then you're going to click on that white box where it says, I have read and agreed to the following, so click on that. And now what you're going to do is click on that. Right now, it looks like a blue box. Could be purple. It says pay $467 and renew, so go ahead and tap on that. Now you see renew registration of my 2019 Chevy Silverado. You're going to tap on the blue box. And then this screen pops up. As you can see, there's a check mark. And I probably just got notice that it's ready. So then you're going to tap on that blue box that says close. And down on here, vehicle registration. I wish I could see it, but I don't have my glasses on. Let me go get my prescription glasses real quick. Okay, so now at the bottom of the screen, I have two notices. There was one in there, so I'm going to go ahead and tap on the little icon bell. Hang on a second. Vehicle registration updated. And then, let me see, let me go ahead and screenshot this one too. Vehicle registration updated. Registration information for your vehicle, which is mine is a 2019 Chevy Silverado 15, has been updated, and a new plate image is ready. So that means that it is all ready to go. So now all I have to do is to press this little home Bluetooth LTE button twice, and it should update in about maybe a minute and 30 seconds. So 1, 2. And you know what? I never did start the timer. So as you can see right here, data download in progress. You should be able to see how long it takes from the screenshots from here. Last time I did it took about a minute and a half. Now with my plate, I have the California Legacy plate. That is why I have block letters on mine. I don't have the fancy California writing. Now with this app, I can go from a black background with white letters to a white background with black letters. And I will show you that after this updates in about a minute and a half. At least I hope it does. It should anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and get ready for that. Should be almost ready. So right after this updates, it should switch to 2025. Now my truck is 5 years old this year. I still do not have to get it smogged. So here you go. Updated 2025. There we go. I'm going to leave it this way. I'm not going to change it until next year. Well, that's it. Have a great day and see you in the next video. Bye.